Hello students, good morning. Hopefully you are very well and hopefully you have passed your habit very beautifully. Anyways, today we are going to start a new piece, that is Strong Roots. Your second prose piece, Strong Roots, by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, you know, who is the famous figure of India. His full name is Abul Fakir Jainul Abedin Abdul Kalam. Kalam was born in 1931 and died in very recently 2015. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, you know, who was born at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu in a very middle class Muslim family. Kalam was a versatile genius. Kalam was a great scientist. Kalam was a very good administrator of India. Kalam was a good writer in English. As a scientist, Kalam took a great role in India's defense research. In ISRO, that means Indian Space Research Organization, Kalam also a leading scientist. Okay, for his great contribution to the development of ballistic missile, he is known to us as the Missile Man of India. This Kalam, from 2002 up to 2007, he was the President of India. Kalam was the 11th President of India, and as a President, he was so popular with the Indians that we fondly called him the People's President. This Kalam was a great writer in English also. So many good books in English were written by him, as Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, India 2020, Mission India, and so on. Here our prose piece, Strong Roots, is collected from his book, world famous book, Wings of Fire. Strong Roots, the piece is the first chapter of Kalam's world famous book, Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire was written in 1999. So it is an extract, a collection from Wings of Fire. You will keep it in mind. Okay. This Kalam was so popular with the student society. His 79th birthday was celebrated as the International Students' Day. United Nations declared this. Kalam's 79th birthday was celebrated as the World Students' Day. Okay. Anyway, here Kalam, by strong roots, means to say his strong bonding with his family, his strong bonding with the values of life. Strong roots, the title you follow. Root means, you know, on killing a tree poem is finished. Root means the robust supporting under any robust figure. So here Kalam means to say that strong roots means strong values of life. Kalam strong bonding with his family. Okay. Kalam was a very simple man, a man of soil. Wings of Fire holds Kalam's struggling life, simple life. Here our prose piece, Strong Roots, also holds Kalam's secured childhood, his simple life, his deep respect for his family, especially for his father Jainul Abedin. Clear? Kalam's Strong Roots is not a simple autobiography. I have already explained. In type, Strong Roots is an autobiographical composition because it was written by Kalam himself. Okay? So, here Strong Roots is not a simple autobiography. It is a philosophical sketch of a successful life. The philosophy of Kalam's life is vividly present in this prose piece. Here Kalam presents his deep respect, honor for his first teacher, Jainul Abidin. Jainul Abidin was not only his father, but also his friend, philosopher and guide. So Kalam dedicates this prose piece, I think, to his father Jainul Abidin. Here Kalam presents not only his childhood, not only his family, but also his locality, his society, and the culture, the communal harmony, the character of the then India. Past and present have been mixed up here very artistically. Kalam has mixed up here past and present very artistically. So here, Strong Roots, the prose piece also carries a deep message. It is not a simple autobiography. It also holds a strong message. The message is that some positive aspects of values, some positive aspects or values are very essential within individuals to make a better world order. I am repeating. Kalam's Strong Roots is not a simple autobiography. It also holds a great message. The message is that some positive aspects, some positive values are very essential within individuals to make a better world order. Okay? Kalam's the prose piece Strong Roots so carries the theme of his earthen life, of the earthen life of his father, of his spiritual conceptions which were supplied by his father Jainul Abidin. So here in the prose piece Strong Roots, you will come to know how spiritual Kalam's father Jainul Abidin was, how ideal Kalam's father Jainul Abidin was, how hardworking person Kalam's father Jainul Abidin was, and how Kalam was step by step educated, taught by his father to be a great human being on this earth. Kalam, according to Kalam, his father Jainul Abidin was his first teacher. Kalam got from his father great values of life, spiritual conceptions. This Kalam's autobiography Wings of Fire is a world famous creation in English world. Kalam's autobiography Wings of Fire was so popular, so famous all over the world that it was translated into all world leading languages. In Tamil, Telugu, Uriya, Marathi, Malayalam, in all leading languages it was translated. Even in Bengali also it was translated. The Bengali version of Kalam's autobiography Wings of Fire is entitled Ogni Paksha, Ogni Pokho, that is. So Kalam's Wings of Fire was a world famous creation. From this Wings of Fire, we have got here a little extract, the first chapter of the book, Strong Roots. Here we are going through, enjoy Kalam's simple life, Kalam's smooth family background, his boyhood, his growing up days, his help from the joint family atmosphere, his spiritual ideas, conceptions achieved from his father Jainul Abidin, and lastly his way, a strong way to be a great scientist, to be a great figure, to be a great individual on this earth. Okay, this is the introduction page of the prose piece Strong Roots. Next day, in my next class, line by line explanation will be started. today up to here. The introduction phase of strong roots is completed. Next line by line explanation of the prose piece will be supplied by me. Thank you. Bye.